In this video, we'll see how the Sales and Purchasing Reports email app enables an organization to effectively manage your customer queries and share sales-related reports, such as sale order confirmations, picking lists, packing slips, and invoices with customers. In day-to-day business operations, an account executive deals with various customer queries and shares sales-related reports with customers. In standard Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations, the user has to manually print each one of these documents, save it to the PC, find those saved files, and then share them via email with the customer. This, of course, can be very time-consuming. With the Sales and Purchasing Reports email app, a Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations user can send reports to customers with a single click of the button without manual intervention. An automated email is sent to the customer's point of contact email ID, as defined in the Customer Master Record. All the sales order reports will be printed in a PDF format, zipped together, and automatically emailed to the customer. Email configuration is easily set up for this functionality to work. Navigate to Accounts Receivable Parameters, the General tab, then select a sales order reporting template. And then select the email purpose for the communication. Once the above setup is done, the user should validate the email configuration in the Customer Master. Navigate to Accounts Receivable, All Customers, and select a customer. In the Contact Information tab, the customer point of contact email ID should be defined with the primary checkbox enabled. Also, the email purpose should be set as defined in the AR parameters. Edit the contact information, and under Purpose, select Business. Now, all the required parameters are configured. To send the report, navigate to the Sales Order List page and select a sales order which is invoiced. Go to the Invoice tab, and under Reporting Packages, click the Send to Customer button. An email with the list of sales order reports will be sent automatically to the customer. These reports include sales order confirmation, picking slips and packing slips, and invoices. The customer can view the attachments in the automated email to see their individual sales order related reports. This feature makes it easy to forward key documentation to customers and answer to queries, as well as saving time over manually sending individual documents.